Hey, this is my WWE Christmas unboxing. I already started opening one. I'll show you. I have 7 to open. I'll show you 5. So I'll open them later. I got Dolph Ziggler. I'll open them in a second. When you are in with the tattoos, Alberto Del Rio and Wade Barrett. So I'll open all these up real quick, and I'll show you the 2 others. So I'll open Dolph Ziggler. Okay. This is very nice. He's got the DZ on the back for Dolph Ziggler. So I'll send him. I still gotta break him in. He's loose. Okay. Let's open the Randy Orton. I already got a Randy Orton. Wherever he is. Oh, yeah. And it's an older one, but he doesn't have the tattoos on his arms, and he had a painted on shirt. So time for this one. Okay. I want to check this out. Man, that looks really nice. It'd be even better if it was the one with the beard. He doesn't want to come out of his box. Okay, there we go. So that's a nice Orton. He's got Orton right there. Really nice tattoos. He's got the one right above, well, right under his neck. Let's see. Okay. Alberto Del Rio. What? Comment. 1 second. What? I mean, Mom wants you out there. Taking some? Yes. Okay. I'm back. So I showed you these 2 when we were opening Alberto. Okay. Been waiting for Del Rio for a while. You know, that is nice white. Okay, let me pop them out. Next is a good one. Trying to get them out. Okay. Now try to get the other one out. Okay. Nice. He's got the tattoos on his back. White attire. Really nice. Okay. Where is he? Wade Barrett, it'd be really cool if he had his Nexus armband, but this one doesn't. But still. Let go! Time to get this open. I'll pop them out. Time to pop them out. Ow. Ow. Okay. It's got tattoos on right here. It says Wade. Okay, so those are those 4, 5, 6. I was missing somebody. You are in top Ziggler. Am I missing somebody? I thought there was somebody else. Okay, I thought I had 7, but I guess I have only 6. Okay. I'll show you these 2 and then open them up. I got 2 legends, Terry Funk and Kamala. Yeah. I'll open up Terry Funk. Series 2 Legend Pack. Okay, let's get this opened. This box is really cool. Okay, so let's get them out. I just pulled off his hat. Where's the hat? Oh, they tied his hands up. Here's his brander. He's strapped to the box. Okay. Oh, and a speedo? Really? Okay, what's that? I hate when they do this. They strap the wrestler into the box with these rubber bands. Okay. He's got this red shirt on. Comes off, and then these pants. Nothing on the back. And get his hat back on. Okay, and then he's got his brander's hat fell off again. So let me just put that in his hands. Okay, and I'll sit him right here with his hat. Oh, came with that. Holla.
What's your other favorite present you got?
All the wrestlers.
All the wrestlers? What about you, Shiny?
Legos.
Legos? That's really nice soccer ball. Age 13 after almost played soccer ball. Cute.
Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna fix this. First, pull that out. Gotta get him out. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Got his shield. So that's him with his mask on, and then the mask comes off. Got his face paint. He's got this necklace. I'm gonna leave it on him. He's got no shoes, the mask, and then he's got his shield. So that's it. Merry Christmas. Goodbye.